Okay, let's start with filariasis. Okay? So pag sinabi mo filariasis, you are talking about a parasitic disease, no? Roundworms na Filariidea type. Isa siya, no? Pakalanan niyo yung mga anak sa sunod, Filariidea. No one will know that it is filaria because it looks very pretty. Filarioidea type. Okay? And also, these are spread by flies and mosquitoes. Okay? Not only mosquitoes, but also flies. And this belongs to your nematodes. That's why it is still included as, or noted to be, part of helminths. Okay? Or helminths. So, 8 non-filarial nematodes. However, ang atong i-discuss lang would be 5. That's the phloem. Okay? So, Mansonella, Brugia, Loa-Loa, Onchocerca, and Watcheleria. Okay? So, epidemiology. Okay? So, 20 million in 80 countries and 1 billion areas, 90% of which are Watcheleria punctata. Okay? So, ang pinakamarami, Watcheleria bancrofti. Okay? So, ang iba, Brugia malayi. So, diba? Imagine, ay, wala yung Philippines. Nasakop naman sila. Okay? Nawala na rin ang part. Dali mo dito ng area. God-forsaken country. Okay? So, nawala na siya. Diba? Ganun na siya kalala. Ang iba, pula-pula pa ato nawala na sa mapa. Okay? But the point of this picture is that most of the countries, as you observe, naa siya sa equator because your mosquitoes love temperate environment. So meaning, wala lang sa Mongolia, Russia. Wow. So pili, bomba or lamok. Nuclear or lamok, pumili ka. Okay? So, dito area, wala po, no? America, no? Northern America, imagine, gamay lang sa may South America. No? So, ang point na dito is, it usually lives in the temperate areas. Okay? Africa, grabe. No? So, ilaha mo guna, sa ilaha ng Loa-Loa, Onchocerca, no? Ato, at least na dito sa apil sa 90% sa Watcheleria. At least, di ba? So, parasites, no? Ang point dito is, because of their size, they can block your lymphatic system. Okay? So, Doc, what happens pala if you block the lymphatic system? Let's go back with your lymphatic anatomy. Diba? Your lymph system is a one-way valve coming from the different parts of your body that it goes to your, kasi pinakadamang tubo na rin, thoracic duct, going back to your heart. Okay? Dili na siya pareho sa imong circulatory nga na ipaadto na pabalik. Siya suyok-suyok lang mo tanan. Okay? So what happens if a parasite or a foreign body blocks your tubo? It will cause fluid build up to the point ang tubig tungod kay naga-build up na asa man siya magawas? Sa tubo. Okay? Remember na ang inyong tubo sa inyong lymphatic system na siya'y buslot-buslot, pangsuyok punta. Pero since dili na niya magampanan ang iyang pagsuyok, mag-backflow, eventually your lymph fluid goes to the affected area. That's why you have what? Edema. Okay? Eventually, your lymph edema, mauna na siya ang ginabuhat nila nga elephantiasis. Kaya nga naman, wala na yung imong nga muscle, di ra nga nagdako. Kaya basta may mga pakagat na tuglamok, no? Para magka-muscle ang ako ang biceps. Dili ang imong muscle ang mapektuhan. Saan mapektuhan? Lymphatic vessels. Okay? Because your parasites usually block. Kapag ma-block mo na, balik ka na. That's why kung mag-block siya dire, or mag-block siya diri area, na timingan, mag-block din siya diri sa singit mo, ang imong thigh and the leg of your right side muhabok. To the point, ang tawag na is, no? Elephantiasis. Diba? Kung na makita niyo before, magkanto ka mo sa government hospitals. No? Kung gabay ka pa, makita mo na lang tinatanaw itong boobs ka na dako. No? Ito din nakanta, dako din isa ka boobs. Diba? Kung na mga picture ng buhay pasta karon. No? It's still alive. No? Ang picture na dako itong isa ka tiil, still alive. No? Mga legendary pictures na siya. Bata pa ko, buhay pa na siya sa karon. Okay? So eventually, it leads to edema. Okay? So your mosquitoes, social. Okay? Because in Africa, Anopheles. No? In Americas, Culex. No? May quiz B pa siguro. Gawas ko yung Kenke fasciatus. Culex, Kenke fasciatus. Okay? So the most common vectors are the Anopheles species and your Culex species. Okay? Yung sa may Pacific and Asia, iba tayo dito. It's the Mansonia and the Aedes species. Aedes is for dengue. Okay? So you need to remember that. Kasi yung Culex, saan to? Japanese encephalitis. Okay? So millions are affected with filariasis. Alam na natin yan, 90% kanina. Okay, let's talk about Wuchereria bancrofti. It's the primary causative agent of lymphatic filariasis, specifically where? The upper limb or the lower limb? Lower limb. How would you identify that that is a lower limb filaria? Very easy. Asa nagaadto ang arrow nga duha ka buok? Very good. Diba? Dili na ka makalimot because the two arrows are pointing pababa. So automatic, kapag nakita mo ang Wuchereria bancrofti, you are talking lower extremities. So kung maghabok ang tiil sa imong pasyente, you talk about Wuchereria bancrofti. Okay? Diba? Ngayon nyo lang yan nakita, no? W. Dati ka, W. So kung ngayon, up. Diba? Nuwag may W ang up. Ang low, down. O pwede po, sa D-O-W-N, down. Okay? Lower. O L-O down, W. Okay? Pwede po siya. Okay? Wala na. No? Very easy to remember. W, dalawang arrow pababa. Okay? So widespread throughout the subtropics, including Philippines. Okay? Naagin siya sa imuhang picture. Okay? Yan, ladies and gentlemen, this is a mosquito. Okay? And your filaria. Pangit yung life cycle na nalagay. Okay? Oh, yan. Meron na tayo. Bumalik na tayo sa mapa. Okay? So we have China. This is India. And Southeast Asia. Sa kasang mo ato, perfect ang limb, ang filaria. Okay. What do you observe? This is a microfilaria. But this one is a Mansonella. So never mind Mansonella. Sana yung ano dito. Yan. Yan. So in medical technology, of course, what we usually study about this is their appearances. Merong perfect looking, merong maganda looking, at merong kinky looking. So how would you differentiate Wuchereria from Bruglia? Okay? So first, you would ask, sino dito sa kanila ang may sheeted ba sila? Yes or no? Sino ang sheeted dito? Wuchereria. Sige. You will be confused if I am going to continue with that. How would you differentiate them according to their tits? Okay? Sige. So, sino dito? Okay, you have here your blood, imagine this reviewer is coming from a 2016 reviewer of mine in Para. Okay? So medyo matagal-tagal na to. But when I study parasitology for any purposes, I usually go back to this lab or go back to this file. Okay? So sino sa kanila ang sheeted? WBL or the BLW. Okay? Sila po same po nga parasite ang DEC. Remember? Sila ang diethylcarbamazine. Always unique ang Onchocerca volvulus. Okay? So, all of them are sheeted. Paano mo ma-remember? Diba? Kinsay mo gina-blow? Ang DEC. Ang DEC, sheeted. Wala na tuli. Okay? So, all of which are sheeted. O, diba? Saro, malipat ka sa tatlo. Okay? BLW, ang treatment is DEC. Tapos, sheeted, non-sheeted? Sheeted. Okay, very easy to remember, ha? So, madali na lang yan i-memorize. Okay? So, unsay pasabot sa sheeted na ay cover ang ilahang iko. Cover ang iko. Cover ang iko. Okay? As compared to which, wala siya other layer. Walay other layer, walay other layer. Can you appreciate the difference between the three? No? No, sheeted and non-sheeted. Okay? Ang next na question, how many nuclei are there at the tail? Okay? Sa imuhang Wuchereria, wala. No? Sa imuhang Bruggia, na isa. Sa imuhang Loa-Loa, dua. Okay? So, Wuchereria, wala for W, wala. Okay? Bruggia, no? Isa. And your Loa-Loa, dua. So, dua. Okay? Diba? When you study, you just have to be creative. Diba? Di na niyo maligtan ang blue, DEC, wak na tuli. Okay? Loa-Loa, siya maligtan sa exam. Okay? Sige. So now, you need to think, kanus man na sila, Dok, magpakita? Or what's the best time that you are going to get a sample from the patient for you to correctly diagnose the patient? Okay? Dili na siya pareho sa CBC nga anytime na ka magkuha o blood sample. You need to be specific with time because they have their periodicity. Okay? Nocturnal periodic, ibig sabihin, they usually active at night, usually 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, ano pa? Nocturnal subperiodic, the same, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Yung Loa-Loa mo naman, again, it's Loa-Loa, dalawang tail, and it's diurnal. Okay, so dalawa pa yan. Dalawa. Okay? So it's diurnal. Okay? Now, let's talk about Onchocerca volvulus. Your Onchocerca volvulus, wala siyang sheath, wala siyang nuclei. Asan mo siya makita? Skin snips. Okay? Your Manzanella, okay, on the other hand, they are unique because they are non-periodic. Okay? So you need to find in your top-notch reviewer, meron ka makikita dyan na kinsay kinky, kinsa ang dili kinky. Meron naka-table na siya diha. Okay? So you need to identify, no, kalimutan mo kasi sino yung maganda. Wuchereria maganda ata. No? Bruggia yung pangit. Okay? Wuchereria maganda, Bruggia pangit. Okay? So Wuchereria, straight end. Okay? Usually, siya ata yung straight. No? Wala siya nag-amo-amo ang icons niya. Okay? So, this one kasi is not, this is just for visual purposes, but it's not the real picture. You just check your top-notch reviewer. Okay? Sige. Do you have questions so far? Okay, let's talk about life cycle. So infective larvae are transmitted, no, by infected biting mosquitoes during a blood meal. Eventually, the larvae migrate to lymphatic vessels where they develop to microfilariae producing adults. Yun lang. After kang ma-injikan, they will find a lymph area that they will turn into a microfilariae that will turn into adults. Kung mudaghan na ang adults, eventually, mag-stock up na siya dira, it will cause now your elephantiasis. Okay, that's the end. Okay, that's the end of this topic. Okay, yun lang, paulit-ulit lang yan. Now, lahat sila, it will go to this specific yan. Okay? No, kakagating ka, eventually the adults will produce microfilariae. Pag manana po yung kagat sa imuha, eventually mo develop ang larvae sa imuhang lamok. Ang lamok, eventually italon niya dito ang larvae, mag-develop until L3 larvae, hangtod mo adto siya sa ulo kaglawan sa imuhang lamok. Okay? Ano naman laway, Dok? Because your mosquitoes are very generous. Pag mukagat siya, they need to secrete first their saliva that will act as heparin. No, kay para pag suyop nilang dugo, dili ma-stock up, mag-clot ang dugo. So in exchange of your blood, they give something in return. And that is filaria. Okay, nga nasabay sa laway. Okay, yun lang. Ano yung point? Pagkagat niya, exchange. Okay? No? So the question is, with that life cycle, how are you going to treat filariasis? First, if the infection is already starting or meron ng signs of elephantiasis, all you can do is give BEC. Okay? Or, no? Depende. Basta, di ba sa BLW it's BEC or diethyl carbamazine. But we don't want our people maabot pa sila sa elephantiasis. So what we are going to do? You prevent the infection by what? Ano ang ginawa ng gobyerno para ma-prevent ang filariasis sa Philippines? They give mosquito, ang point is, ang mosquito net nga naay tambal. Okay? So, muragi hibutangan or gi-expose ang ilahang, tawag na sa mosquito net yun? Kulambo, no? Sang pesticide or insecticide para pagdapo dito sa lamok, mapatay siya. Okay? So, practice na siya, ha? During the time, sabi sa akin ng epidemiological nurse namin way back itong naapa siya, before siya nag-retire, naay area sa tulunan na naay filariasis. So, ang gibuhat nila, every family, gipangatagan sa kulambo. Okay? Mosquitero. Muna, di ba? Mosquitero. No? So, karon, na social naman, no? You spray. No? So, may ako mo after. Bronchitis. Pili ka, no? Filaria or bronchitis. Social naman, kaya naman, we don't usually cover our bed na because our screens are already nabutang naman siya sa mga windows, doors. It's part of protection. Okay? Pag merong cases ng filaria, that would alarm already the municipality. Okay? Because here in Mindanao, at least nag-start na tao, 0 na. Ang tulunan has been 0 for, I mean, more than decades na. So, last time, namin nakita nung habog yun ang tiil sa bata. it was confirmed. But then again, we don't take that as part of tulunan because nag-transfer lang ang bata from South Cotabato. Okay? So pwede, pagbalik sa bata, pag mapaakal siya, active ang infection, patay. Okay? Balin-balin na. Wala na. Okay? So do you have questions so far? Wala na? So if you don't have any more questions, I think the next week, lecture pa ba natin itong July, then the week after that is already your prelim exams. Okay? So this one is already included in your prelim examination. Sige, so do you have questions? None?